Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can easily fix the no internet connection problem in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the device manager first. We will be updating the drivers. So for that, make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go look for the device manager option. Please make a click on that, and then the moment you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to go to the network adapters and then double click on that to expand. Here all you need to do is just to make a right click on the wireless option. If you see some wireless option there, please make a right click on that and then click on this update driver option. And if you're connected, or since you're not connected with your internet, then go click on the browse my computer for drivers, and then click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So this list will show you all the compatible hardware driver versions that you have there in your device. All you need to do is just to select the latest one, and you will see the date, the driver date at the very end of the name. So the once you already see the latest one, all you need to do is just to click on this next button after selecting it, and then it will start installing the driver. And once you receive the notification that the Windows has successfully updated your driver, all you need to do is just to close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then please go back to this window. All you need to do is just to make a right click on it again and then click on this uninstall device option, and it will, or you will receive this small window coming up. So please just select this attempt to remove the driver for this device and then click on this uninstall button here, and then click on the scan for hardware changes after the uninstalling and this icon. Or you can also go to the action tab and then click on scan for hardware changes. Once you're done doing this one, it will reinstall again the recently uninstalled driver. And then once you're done with this one, just close this window, make a quick restart again with your device. See now if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we can also reset the network by just going to the command prompt window. So please go to your Windows search tab and there type CMD, and you will get under best match the command prompt option. Here in the right section, you will get, or you will see this run as administrator option. So please make a click on that, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes and then proceed with this black window here. So all you need to do is to type the command that I'll be showing you. So the first one is netsh space winsock space reset, and then after typing this one, just please click on enter. Next is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Again, it's netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Once done typing, just please click again enter, and we will be typing now the last command, which is netsh space int space ip space reset log dot txt. Again, it's netshint space ip space reset log.txt. Once done typing, just please click on enter, and it will ask you to restart your device. So just please type here first exit, and then you will be exiting now this window. Just make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we can also make a network reset. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the settings option. So here we will be going to the network and internet here in this left pane. So just please scroll down till you reach the bottom. You will get this advanced network settings option. Please make a click on that and proceed with the network reset below the more settings option or more settings section. Here you can reset all network adapters to factory settings. Now once you click on this one and then click on this reset now button, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So once you click on this yes button, it will do that action. And after the reset, just see if the problem is already fixed. You can see that by just going to the globe icon or Wi-Fi icon in this very bottom right section in the taskbar. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye!